Today I have a fun video for you. I'll be decorating my Messy and Bright Archer and Olive journal. I'm very excited. I plan on using Tim Holtz Distress Paint to also protect some areas of the journal. I'm going to put on some of the washi that came with it and then take it off when it's dry. So I'll put a piece to cover this part and then another one down here. And then I'm going to cover this bookmark right here so it doesn't get paint on it. And now I'm going to put paper all around, washi all around the paper so it doesn't get paint on the outer edges of the book. So I think I'm going to start with this thick raspberry. Maybe I'll put some other colors there. Okay, now let's do some splattering. I'll try the raspberry. Okay, here we go. I think I need more paint. Cool. I'll put some of the salty ocean. Uh-oh, I'm getting paint on my clothes. Oh no! I guess I should have worn an apron. This is acrylic paint. Yikes. I'm gonna try a different brush. Actually I can't, I don't know for sure the green's gonna show up, but I can try. Now let's put some of the yellow, the squeezed lemonade. Ooh. The colors are mixing, that's kind of cool. Put some pink with that yellow. Ooh. Now let's do some of the lime, cheddar, and then ocean. Back to the big brush. I think the smaller brush actually may work better. Actually, I got an idea for a brush. Hold on a moment. I think I'm gonna put some more of the pink to get more of those bigger pink splatters that I have in the beginning. So let's put some of the picked raspberry. I think it needs more yellow. I'm definitely making a mess here. Actually, it's kind of cool mixing the colors, so let's do the yellow and the green together. Okay guys, well, I think that does it of decorating my Messy and Bright journal. I'll definitely share with you when it's dry and when I finish decorating it. Today I wanted to share with you my completed Messy and Bright journal cover that I did. I love the way it turned out. It looks really cool in the case with all the glitter and everything. And so I wrote I'm a Beautiful Mess, and there's a song called Beautiful Mess by Michael Rosenbaum featuring Blake Lewis, and it's a really cool song, and so I thought it'd be perfect to put on the cover, and so it looks really awesome. So here's the back of it with the paint splatter showing through the cover. And before I show you some art that I did, I'll show you what it looks like without the cover on it. So here's the front of it with the paint splatter, and then with the black acrylograph pen, I wrote I'm a Beautiful Mess, and I outlined it in the gel pens that came with the bundle. And here's the back of it with the splatters. It looks so cool. Love the way it turned out. So here are some art challenges that I did. Messy and Bright, whenever you buy the bundle, they offer some challenges that come with it in an email. So I wrote my name on the first page. The first intro page, I wrote the month January 2022 art journal, and then the bundle comes with some really awesome washi tape. So I decorated the first page with that. And then This page, it was to draw a monster with your eyes closed in the shape. So I used, the shape I picked was a square, and then I drew a face on it, and with the washi I made some hair with it, so that's fun. And then I used sticky notes for the feet. And then on the next page, it was to tape pens together, so I taped the gel pens together with washi tape, and I just kind of drew some squiggles. That's what you're supposed to do. It was fun. And then the next page that I did was the challenge is to make a mess on one page and then clean it up on the opposite. And I think I did it correctly. This was going to be the messy page, but I think this ended up being the messy page, so still pretty fun. I used Dina Wakley stencils for this, and I used Tim Holtz Distressed Oxides for the background. And I think I also used Dina Wakley as well. This one was to write your favorite word on a sign, and then so I picked Wanderlust. And then this next one, challenge 5, was to draw an object in the room with your non-dominant hand and no peeking at the paper. So I tried drawing my guitar, and as you can see, I kind of got the shape, but messed up on the other part, so it's kind of funny. This next one, which was the last challenge, challenge 7, was to draw circles, like in little circles, and then connect to them to look like string fairy lights, so that's pretty cool. And then this one was not a challenge, just for fun. For my birthday in 2021, when I turned 34, I saved the confetti from my helium balloons, and then once the balloon was like shriveled up, I popped it, and then I glued with the tape runner some the confetti from the balloon, and then I even saved the string from the balloon and put it in the middle. And then the rest of this is not really challenges, just art for fun. So Rita Barakat, she's an amazing artist. On her show Friday Fun Days, she did this really fun abstract painting where you take masking tape or washi and you put paint on it, and it's really cool. It gives like a really neat effect. So that's what I did, and I used the same paints with Dina Wakley, also acrylic paint sprays, and since the sprays weren't working, I took the lid off and just kind of did some splatters on it, which is fun. And then this next page, I did some background, was Tim Holtz Distressed Oxides, and then I took Dina Wakley collage paper and put that on there, and I used gel medium to get it stuck on there, and then put some bling in the center of the tag, and that one says this is how it is now. Sorry. And then I wrote make a mess there. This page, I used Rita Barakat's art foamy stamps to create this background, and then with gel medium I put, this one says express, create, spill, make art. So I think this page definitely says that, and so hope that gives you inspiration and to create and put anything you want on paper, and it helps you express yourself. So have a great day. Bye.